Hi, I am Baran, and this cover performance analytics. It helps music creators turn social media performance data into clearer and more reliable next content decisions. The application tracks cover metadata and performs snapshots, then calculates arrangement, growth, rankings, and content patterns locally in Python. These metrics are deterministic, so the AI model is never responsible for calculating the numbers. Small data sets can be misleading. In this demo, one cover has an extremely high performance score, but it is based on only 300 views. Instead of hiding that result, the system marks it as low confidence evidence and adds a low view sample warning. Before calling GPT 5.6 Sol, Python builds a compact and structured content containing calculated metrics, medians, comparisons, and evidence quality flags. GPT 5.6 interprets only this bounded evidence. The response must match a strict JSON schema and pass a local validator before it can appear in the interface. The AI creator code returns a structured report with an executive summary, evidence backend strategies, risk recommended actions, and next cover strategy. Here, the model correctly recognizes that his score is destroyed by a low view outlier. It therefore uses cover with larger samples as more reliable benchmarks and requirements controlled follow-up test instead of making an overconfident claim. API calls happen only after an explicit button click. Generate reports are cached so ordinary Streamlit reruns do not create additional records. If the language filters search data or model change, the old report is marked as stale and is no longer present as correct advice. I used Codex as a repository-level development agent throughout build week. It first reviewed the existing architecture, then helped implement the context builder, report contracts, API service, Streamlit interface, and test a small reviewable components. The final project has 63 passing unit tests. Cover performance analytics turn raw creator metrics into gradient and testable content decisions.